And special thanks to our friends at Homelist who were nice enough to send us their N8 Pro nightlight. This is a 2 amp fast charging USB-C 104 LED 2000 milliamp hour nightlight. Open it up and show you exactly what we have here. It's like the top is pulls off. There we go, like so. So we have an included little instruction guide explaining exactly how everything works, including the controller, a couple of little double-sided tape pieces, then the controller to control it. Pretty nice, nice. And then lastly, a lamp, a included USB-C type cable for charging. Love that it's USB-C. And this looks like a little stand, and that's it for the box. So inside of here is the nightlight. So USB-C port is right here for charging. Got a power button and a little like recycle button, and then 20, 60 seconds or 120 seconds, however long you want this to stay on when motion is detected. So when there's motion detected, whatever your settings on is how long the light will stay on. And then this part seems to magnetic to here, so you could mount this to the wall with your double-sided tape and then be able to just easily pop this on and then pull it off whenever you need to recharge it. Love that design. So let's actually charge this up, set it up, and show you what it looks like. I'll say I dig the little charging indicator on this nightlight, and now it's fully charged, so we're ready to set it up. So we've used our double-sided tape to install this right here, and we've powered on our light. So we have that color, the more brighter white, the more yellow white. We're gonna leave it on this one, and we've set it to 20 seconds, which should be enough. So when this sensor sees motion, it'll cut this light on for 20 seconds, and for us, that's gonna be the perfect light for when we come in here at night to go to the restroom. So we'll walk up, and this light will cut on something like this. And so as we walk up, it cuts on, able to see to use the restroom. This thing is amazing. That should do it for this demonstration of this rechargeable motion sensor battery light. Also, I love that you can always see how much battery's left. 2 big thumbs up. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.